Hi besties, it's your favorite wax bestie Tay, and today, I know it's been a long time, but today we are juicing. And if you don't know, I recently dropped a juicing ebook full of recipes for clear skin and a healthy vagina. And I need a juice recipe because my skin has been horrible lately. I don't know what's going on. I don't know what I changed. I don't know. I can't tell you. I don't feel like I've been doing anything different. Maybe besides I have been drinking a little more. But anyways, I picked out a recipe, and this one says drink this for a week straight and I bet people will need sunglasses the way your skin will be glowing. The recipe is filled with iron, antioxidants, and potassium. Promotes collagen and fights free radicals. All the ingredients help to boost immunity, brighten skin tone, and reduce inflammation. Contains vitamin A, C, folate, which can help promote healthy skin. Beetroot contains betalains, which are antioxidants that help fight free radicals that can damage skin. Celery reduces inflammation, fights acne, and brightens skin tone. And celery is also high in water, which can improve skin moisture. So that is the recipe we're going to use. Be sure to grab your copy of the ebook so you can make your own juices at home. And yeah, let's get right into it. I already went to the store. I got everything that I needed. And yeah, FYI, it says beetroot in the recipe, but beetroot is the same as regular beets. So if you go in asking for beetroot and they take you to beets, it's the same thing. Y'all, the taste was really a 10 out of 10. The apples and the oranges really sweetened it up. Like, I thought the beets was going to be overpowering, but it wasn't. And I took the leaves off of the celery. Now, they do have benefits, but it'll make the taste a little more milder. But it was really good. I enjoyed this one. It's probably my favorite one. But thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and download the ebook down below. Bye, besties.